What's up? I Discover back with another video. I'll be talking about the lake that has the face on it today. Only about the lake that has the face on it. The face of Haru, the great Haru, and there are three lakes. One that represents his father, Osiris or Asar, and the vulture represents his mother, Set or Isis. Horus they called him Haru or Horus, or probably some other things too. But it's what we got here. This face right here that's on. This is water. So basically, we got a face on water. 2 mile long lake, a little less than a mile wide. Well, about a mile wide at its furthest point. We got a face on water here that you only can see from the air. There's so many things, that go through my mind. So many questions, so many things you want to ask. I want to ask, and I have a lot of questions about this, and some things that I just don't understand, like how they built this. How did Haru and them do this? They was magical, intelligent, magical, smart. This is an unbelievable land. But in case you're not seeing a face here, you look at this right here, and you will most definitely see the face. We got the chin area right here, the mouth, if you can't see it, the nose. You can't break this nose off. Totally, you cannot knock this nose off right here. We got the eyes right here, and we got a third eye. That Horus was known for the third eye, but we did not know that the eye was protruding from his forehead like this, like this was like a eye coming from the forehead. For real. And this is apparently how it looked. We got this over here in Mexico. You see the face. Now these lakes, as I said in my other videos, got to be millions of years old. Has to be millions of years old. I know y'all want to be talking about some thousands, but like I said in my other videos, when you speak of thousands, when you say thousands, you're speaking of the Europeans, the Arabs, and what have you. You're not speaking of the ancient brown, y'all want to call us black, that's been here from the very beginning of this plane. We go with the earth, hate it or love it. We go with the earth. And we came with the earth. But we got right here the three symbols, the hawk or falcon. We got the jaguar paw with the scepter, or lion's paw if you're in Africa. The jaguar paw, the hawk or falcon, and the serpent. All on the headdress. That's, like I say, we all know Egyptian headdress. Um, they want to make this. I don't know if this headdress was for women and men. Apparently for women and men. But this bus right here, some say this was a fake. That she didn't look like this, but I'm just using this because everybody has seen this. But this is a fake. But I'm saying You got the roots, two roots coming off the feeder root where the river comes from his mother. You can see the Gulf of Mexico right here, and feeds into this lake. Like I said, these lakes had to be here before the Gulf of Mexico because there was no reason to build the lakes if we got the Gulf of Mexico right here sitting right by the lakes. And this lake is three miles long and about 2 miles wide. And the Vulture Lake feeds the land. You know, but it comes here, a river comes off this way going into Mexico, and this goes, river comes through the beak straight to Osiris, then straight to the root of Haru, and he sends water this direction all through. Great. Just how did they build this? You know, I've had all types of dreams. I don't know, daydreaming, night dreaming about this. This been on me since I found this in 2012. Like I said, I just want to talk about this here. I just want people to see it and look at it. This is just a short video. I'm just trying to understand. I need to just do a video about just the head, just the face of Haru. It's like I say, we don't have any depictions of his face anywhere except for which is, I don't know, the one where him as a little baby and his mom holding him. You know, I don't know how accurate that one is, but that's would be the only thing that we would have of Haru. Like I say, your eyes won't believe what your mind can't conceive. Eventually, I want the whole world to mention me. I discover. Peace.